Assalamu alaikum students, I hope everybody is doing well. So in previous video we have discussed in detail the summary of this poem, The Rain, and we have learned how poet clearly expresses his lovely views about the rain and social discriminations found in our society. So these are the things that we have read in previous video. In this video we are going to learn the question answers of unit number 5. And we are going to do the block questions first. Number 1 we have, what do the rich and the poor leaves stand for? So in this question we have to explain the symbolic meaning of rich and poor leaves, and the answer is, the rich leaves stand for the rich people and the poor leaves stand for the poor people. This is something that we have also explained in the summary as well. Now move towards the second block question, which is, do you also like the sun coming out after rain? Why? So in this question they are asking us about our opinion. So I have written this answer according to me, so you can change this answer according to yourself. Answer is, yes, I also like the sun coming out after rain because the atmosphere looks more beautiful. So dear students, you can use your own answer as well. Now moves toward comprehension questions. On page number 59 we have these questions. Question number 1 we have, what does the poet hear? This is something that poet has already explained in first stanza. So let's just look at the answer. And the answer is, the poet hears leaves drinking rainwater. Question number 2, what according to the poet is a sweet noise? And the answer is, according to the poet, falling of rainwater on the leaves, drop after drop, is a sweet noise. Question number 3 is, what will happen after the rain stops? And the answer is, after the rain stops, the sun will come out. This is something that we have read in this stanza number 2. Let's move towards the next question. Question number 4 is, how does the sun come out after the rain? And the answer is, after the rain, the sun comes out from the clouds and illuminates each and every dark raindrop and benefits everyone all over the world. Question number 5 we have, how does the light fill the drops? And the answer is, after the rain, when the sun shines, its light illuminates each and every dark raindrop. Last question that we have, what makes the scene lovely? And the answer is, after the rain, when the sun shines brightly, it makes the scene lovely. Obviously, if there would be an equality everywhere, then that would be the lovely scene, or you may say that the happiest scene.